What is the difference between cosmic energy and Kundalini energy? Sendil Kumar, be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine, all of you. Thank you for being there, inspiring me. Continue to listen to me and continue to give me reasons for me to do these videos every single day of my life. You look at the universe. The universe is comprised of millions of stars. Our sun is a star. The solar system in which our sun is in the center is a star. It is a baby star. What we see in the sky when we look at the sky on a clear sky day in the night, and we see millions of stars. Stars are everywhere around us. Our planet is a very small planet, and in that we are such a small dust, and in that there is life energy that powers our body and our mind and governs our consciousness and governs our actions and all our deeds and governs our results also. What powers this Kundalini Shakti? It is the energy particle only. It is the ether energy particle or Akashic energy particle. The subatomic energy particle that powers our Kundalini Shakti in our body is infinitesimal. It is very small. We recognize that all the planets and the planetary objects in the universe, all the stars, are nothing but group of these subatomic energy particles. And we also see space. There is almighty space. This subatomic energy particle is powered by the space. So the question is, what came first? Space alone must have come first. And then only the Akashic energy particle must have evolved. Because Akashic energy particle can spin at varied speeds, which means that there is a source for powering that speed. That source must be gravity. That source must be almighty. That almighty gravitation, the source that exists, which is all pervasive, all penetrative in nature, must itself be the reason for evolution of subatomic energy particle. Is it not? Can it be in any other way? The energy particle must have evolved from space. How could it have evolved? It must have evolved because the space must be a self-compressive space. It must have inexhaustible source of energy. It must have its own pressure force. Only then a fold can be formed, a fold can be compressed into a spinning, revolving energy particle. The spinning, revolving energy particles come together to form various masses as they slow down. And they are bound by a simple magnetic pressure that gets formed due to a formative dust that emerges due to friction between the subatomic energy particle and space. And this magnetism creates a magnificent net around the universe and forms a unified field of repulsive forces working in tandem with the compressive force of the almighty space, which is surrounding it. And in this state, in the universal energy state, is what we call the cosmic energy. This cosmic energy is sometimes called as the Parabrahma. It is called as the almighty energy state. But it is the same energy particles coming together to form the various inanimate objects and the animate living beings such as the human beings. In us, this energy is called as the Kundalini energy. Here it is Jivatma, there it is Paramatma. There is no difference between the two. Here it is in characterized form, in a slightly different characterized form. There it is in a totally different characterized form. That characterization does not remain as it is in our characterization, but plenum, force, consciousness and time as four basic characteristics of the space, almighty space, contained within that universal magnetic space and in the biomagnetic Jivatma space. There is no difference in the essence of it. The difference is only in the characterization and the functioning of these magnetisms. There it is almighty source, here it is fractional source. There it is almighty consciousness, super consciousness, here it is fractional consciousness. I hope this makes you understand the difference between the cosmic energy and the Kundalini energy and the similarity and link between these two energies. It is the cosmic energy that has evolved into human beings and different life forms and inanimate objects and functioning as the Kundalini energy within us. And the same energy in the universe is often referred to as the universal energy field, or otherwise called as the Mahakash. In the inanimate objects, the coming together of these subatomic energy particles functioning together as a mass is called as Bhutakash. In the human beings or in living beings such as plants and animals and birds and human beings, the same energy, Akashic energy, cosmic energy, evolved and coming together as volume and functioning with a magnetic center, a vortex in the three-dimensional center of that living being is called Chitakash. Mahakash, Bhutakash, Chitakash are the mere differentiation in terms of classification and boundaries. But otherwise, the basic plenum, force, consciousness and time are fundamental characteristics evolved from the almighty space into Akash, into universal cosmic energy and also into a fractional human form and living form and functioning within our own body as our life force or Kundalini energy. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Thank you for inspiring me. Feel free to give comments on this video. Inspire my next video. Be blessed by the divine.